Hello children, welcome to the online classes of computer science. Today we'll be starting up with our HTML and the topic that we'll be studying today is superscript. Okay, so children, as you can see, this is a web page that has been designed. Now, looking clearly to this web page, what we all can see is there is a title that has been given to this web page and the title is says superscript. So this is which is the topic for today. Now children, see the content first. It's written, hello children, today's date is 5th of February. As you can notice that this 5th and the th of this 5th is superscript. Okay. Now in the next line, as you can see, this is been written in the next line. So it says February is the second month of the year in the calendar. Then again there is a break and the content is there in the next line. It says the month has 28 days in common years or 29 in leap years, comma. Then again the content is in the next line. It says with the 29th day being called the leap year. As you can see children, this 5th has been written in this manner and here this 29th has been written in some other manner. We'll be writing this th also as superscript. Okay, now we shall see the code as how to use this superscript and how to put the words as superscript. Now, and what else you can notice is also the background color, which is yellow. Now looking clearly to the code. Here's the code children. First tag is your HTML tag. Then is your head tag. Then inside your head you open your title, and the title that I've given today is superscript because we are studying superscript today. Then you need to close your title tag. Then you have to close your head tag. Fine children. Now once you're done with your head tag, you will be opening your body tag, and with body I have given the attribute is bg color. And the value that I've given to my attribute is yellow. I hope you all remember that whenever we give a value to any of the attributes, we give them inside the double quotes. Fine. Then I've opened my center tag. Why center tag? Because I want all the content to be aligned in the center. Next is the content. Hello children, today's date is. Now children, looking up clearly to your this web page, as you can see, this 5 is normally aligned, but this th is little bit shifted to upside. Okay, so basically whatever tag we'll be using this tag just with the letters or with the words that we want to be shifted. So this is what we have done. 5 I have written normally just like that. After this I have opened a sup sub tag. Okay, this tag is used for to give your content a superscript. Fine. Then after this I have written the content that I want as a superscript. Fine, that I want my th to a superscript. After this I have closed my sub tab. Why? Because you have to be specific as up from where to where you want the letters or the words to be as a superscript. So I just wanted this th as a superscript. So before this I have opened this tag and after this I have closed it. Okay, remember your sup, that is sup, that is the tag is used for to give the superscript. This tag is your container tag. Remember this children. Okay, after this I have written the content that is of February, full stop. Then after this I have used a br tag. Okay, br tag is to break the line and to put your content in the next line. So for that I have used the br tag. Now children, see, you can also continue from the same line because in your web page the content will be shifted to the next line, but to show you all I have written the content also in the next line. So in the next line I have written February is the second month of the year in the calendar. Then again I have used the br tag because again I wanted the content to be in the next line. So for that, then I've written the month has 28 days in common years or 29 in leap years. Then again br tag. Then, and as you remember children, br tag is an empty tag, so we are not closing it anywhere. Okay, with the 29th day being called the leap year. As I've told you, now we'll be changing this 29th also as a superscript. So the word that I want to change is th. So before that I will be opening my sup, that is sup tag, and then after this I'll be closing it because it's a container tag. It is a container tag. Fine. Then after doing this, you have closed your body tag and then your HTML tag. So then after the code is done, you have to go to file and then you have to go to the save as option. You have to save your document with the extension .html. Fine. You have to save your document with the extension .html, or you can also use htm. Both will work. Now children, since this document is already saved, so I'm not saving it again. So again, now coming back to the page over here. Now I have not reloaded it as now. So as you can see, this th is aligned same with the 29th. Now I will reload this page. And as you can see, now it is changed to your superscript format. See. Fine. So this is how you can use your superscript, and you can also play with it. Where you want to underline, you can just put the U tag. If you want to bold anything, you can use your B tag. If you want to give a horizontal lines to your page, you can use your HR tag. You can do multiple things in HTML you have learned so far. Thank you.